Welcome back to Sam's Watch Review. It's time to unbox the latest addition to this channel, the GA-B2100. This one comes in a carton box. Inside, we get the manual and the international warranty card. And here is the watch. The seller was nice enough to add some bubble wrap for extra protection. And here it is, the GA-B2100. The features include Bluetooth, tough solar, and Super Illuminator. Here is the overall look of the watch. On this channel, I have mentioned several times that because my eyes are getting older, I usually avoid negative displays. But this time, I chose the 1A1 variant with a negative display, the same color scheme as my previous GA-2100. Here is the strap. It looks nice, except that this model has a plastic buckle. And here is the back plate with all the details including the module number, cased in Thailand, and more. Here is the bezel. It has a little stretching, but the gap is not very noticeable. The dial has a slight sunburst effect, cool. The analog hands show the hour and minute. The sub-dial shows the function instead of the day of the week. Also, because it has Bluetooth, there is a connect menu. Overall, it looks nice, just as I expected. Here is the Lume after charging it with a flashlight. And here is the Super Illuminator. It looks brighter than the previous model. And here it is on my average sized wrist. I think it looks great. I will make a detailed review and tutorial for this watch soon, so don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Have a great day.